Hello Weavers in Africa and around the world. It's your favorite analyst again, T Weavers. In this chat, I'll be talking about the Bitcoin, the altcoin, and altcoin dominance, Bitcoin dominance chart. So without wasting too much time, guys, let's dive in. So last week, I talked about Bitcoin, and then we had an engulfing candle holding this 50 moving average strongly, but we still have a resistance around this 20 and 21 moving average. So we need a break and close above this zone for a continuity of the breakout, or for the confirmation of this breakout, because it is very important to make sure we crush all the bears to be very sure that we are having a real leg up, not a fake out. So I also like to touch on my indicators. I charted the indicator, the RSI, which I'm going to use this one at the middle. As you can see, this supports held price in September 2023, held price in September 2024, held price in March 2025, and we're also bouncing and creating like a W sign. Nevertheless, we're also creating an higher low, and we are likely to come and jam another higher low here, and that may likely be our top out. So looking at our MACD, we are flipping bullish as the blue is crossing above the red, orange, and everything is looking good for now. But price action speaks the most, so we need a close up and above this 20 and 21 moving average for a confirmation for a real leg up. So I'll move to others. So the others chart is also showing like some sort of falling wedge, and then after we break down this zone, we are currently retesting this our trend line, and then what we don't want to see, close down this zone to be really bitter for the altcoin. Yes, so, excuse me. So we need a break up and above this 20 and 21 moving average to confirm that the bulls have momentum, and further 50 and 200 before we see a further push upward for a full-blown altcoin season. So we are also holding our resistance strong on the RSI, and the momentum on MACD is dried up already, and we are seeing a blue cross, which is good for the market. So let me dive down to the Bitcoin dominance charts. As you can see, the Bitcoin dominance chart has hit a major resistance around this zone. Let me go to 1 month so you can see clearly where the resistance sits at, which is we are currently testing this an order block and a resistance, a major resistance from this zone. So we want to see a major rejection on 1 week time frame, major rejection that will send price with a full-blown order block downward, and then break this major for a rising wedge towards the downside. So as you can see on the RSI, we've never been this close, and our MACD momentum is full already. We're already at 100, and we are seeing a cross down coming soon. So guys, without wasting too much of our time, that's what I have in stock for you guys. Please like, share, comment, show some love. Thanks for seeing my videos.